Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 2810e series or 2800 series. What I want to do is to show you how to reset this printer to a default setting. Connect the printer to your mobile phone or connect it to laptop via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct. And this is HP app. So this is the printer and ink level. From the app, you need to scroll down and select Printer Settings. Select View All, Printer Settings. Select View All. Select Advanced Settings. Then it will show you HP Deskjet 2800e series. Will show you Home, Scan, Web Service, Network, Tool, Settings. Select Settings, Preferences, Power Management, Suppliers, Security, Restore Defaults. Select Restore Defaults. Select Restore Factory Defaults. Enter PIN number. So open up the ink access door. The PIN number is usually on the sticker. So I'm going to enter the PIN. So you just need to enter the PIN. Once you put the PIN, then select Submit. Then you select Restore Default Settings. Select Restore Default Settings. Then it will ask you, give you this notice. While the printer is restoring, the factory default setting will not be available for use. Are you sure you want to continue? Then you select Yes. It will show you Restore Factory Default Setting. Show you a good mark. Then you select OK. The power on light will be highlighting. So the printer is now back on. And if you look on the Wi-Fi light is now flashing. What that means is the printer now is in a wireless mode looking for available Wi-Fi network to connect the printer. The printer is no longer connected to a network. So this is how to restore the printer to factory default setting. Thank you very much indeed.